Right, here's a quick tip. If you've got your little dots, but you haven't got the colour that you want, or you want them sparkly and they're plain, this is my tip for you. I'm going to take some mint tape and just place that down. Now, if I use a translucent embossing powder on them, obviously the colour that's underneath is still going to show through and just the glittery bit will be there. But if I use opaque marbling, that will take out the colour. So if let me just grab these ones. These are the, just grab the packaging. These are the Pure and Simple Glossies from Hickey. Simon Says stamp sell them, wow sell them. They're beautiful, and they're like in 3 different sizes. So let's take something like, let's do some sparkly ones. So this is translucent. So if I just do, I'm going to take that one and I'll just do 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3. And then, so that would be for my Be Kind. This is Sea Mist. So let's go for the darker blue. And we'll see if we can obliterate that. Because it could still be on a translucent base, but it might have a bit of white in there, which makes it opaque. We shall see. Right, so the trick is, this is holding them in place. We're going to take our Wow ink pad. And the easiest thing to do, well, actually, it's easier to go this way. Just push them right into your ink pad. Get lots and lots of ink on there. Loads and loads of ink. And that looks all right. You get a tiny bit of wastage because it's going to stick to this. Okay, so let me just sprinkle and then shake off the excess. That can go back in the pot. So there's not a lot of wastage. And then let's go this way. Just make sure it's fully covered. Okay. We'll see if that's going to cover it. It might be a translucent base, but because it's got white in there, that might be why it's called opaque marbling. Let's see, shall we? Okay, so heat tool. And now we're just going to heat them. See, look, so now we've got sparkly ones. And these ones, we're actually getting a bit... So it has got a translucent base to it. So although it's called opaque marbling, I don't know if you can see, but there's like a white in there. I'll show you it again, but this time I'll use a pure opaque. Let me just put the lids on these. So I'll just do... Let me grab... What shall I grab? Platinum. Platinum is opaque. So I'm going to take those same 3 colours so we can get a comparison. Oh, and I'm going to flip that over. Oh, that goes there. And that little teeny tiny one, it just shows you how it got those. I am going to take these off so I don't get ink all over them again. And look, they just lift off. I'm just going to put it on there. So they've still got their sticky. Okay. So now we're going to put this. I'm going to pull that bit off actually. So push that in, get that ink all around. So pushing it right into it. And then I'm just going to brush off any glitter that was on here because I don't want that in my platinum. And let's cover that in the platinum. That can go back in the pot. Oops, oh, good job I had my lid on. Okay. That goes so quick. And there we go, we've got platinum ones as well now. So you can do them so that they match any of the work that you're doing. So there you go. Let me just, I'm going to take these off. so that they're ready. I should have stuck them in an area where you could see them better. So there we've got our sparkly ones, our glitter ones. That was the Be True, no, Be Kind. Was it Be Kind? Yep, Be Kind. This one here, this just looks beautiful. And that's the Sarah Nauman Sea Mist. Honestly, I've got a brain like a sieve at the moment. Sea Mist. And then these ones here are the Platinum. So just a quick way to pimp up your enamel dots. Thanks ever so much for watching. Take care. Bye.